Okay, once you download the PDF file, you can actually change the font here to 2022 or whatever your class is, and then it'll automatically go on to the tags. You can change your to and from here, and it'll automatically go in there. And then you can, I'm eventually going to change these to class colors. Now here is an image. You need to upload an image. So once you do all these corrections for 2022, you save your file, and then you will go to this little cute little website. If you do not have the Adobe Crap Pro, you go to PDF editor, and I'll give you the link down below, and then it'll open up once you choose your document file wherever you saved it to this, and then you just scroll back down or go into your area where the image would be uploaded, and here you would select an image, add my image. There's my image right here, and you can actually write a little note here, thank you for whatever. Okay, and then you save your file, and there's your greeting card, and this will actually upload from your saved file. I just did this for sake of quick uploadings for you. All right, so I hope you had this. You would hit done and then save and print your cards and bags. Congratulations, graduates. And you can put any year in here. You can use this forever and ever and ever. Thanks, teachers, and have a great summer.